good collaboration means the sum is greater than its parts, and we can achieve much more than what we can do individually.
What we know is that academia is moving toward more collaborations. So for people to learn how to collaborate well is the really perfect way to enhance your professional and personal skill set.
Research collaboration is increasingly recognized by research funders. Funds go more and more to projects that are interdisciplinary or big, large international collaborations.
Obviously, if you've never been in a collaboration before, then getting insights into how you can set them up, what the dynamics might be, how you can arrange the outputs, obviously there's a clear benefit there.
Having this taught to you is this amazing opportunity that allows you to learn firsthand from people who have experience.